Imagine the referee of a big cricket match suddenly walks off the field. That's basically what happened to India's biggest banks. In March 2026, the chairman of HDFC Bank quit his job out of nowhere. He just wrote 3 short sentences saying something's happening at the bank over the past 2 years didn't match his personal values. But he gave no specific details. That's like a school principal quitting and only saying some stuff here isn't right. Turns out, right before he quit, the bank's audit committee had already ordered an investigation into nearly 45 crores in payments linked to a government road building company in Maharashtra. Reports say over 10 top officials were flagged, but being named in a report isn't the same as being guilty. Nothing's been legally decided yet, but that's when the money started vanishing. From the stock market at least, investors got scared and the bank's market value dropped by almost 1 lakh crores almost overnight. By mid 2026, the bank shares had fallen about 26% for the year. Imagine your lemonade stand suddenly being worth way less just because people got nervous before anyone proved anything wrong. That's kind of what happened here, just at a much bigger scale. But here's the twist. HDFC Bank also trades in America through something called ADR's American Depository Receipts. Its US stock dropped about 4% too, and 3 US law firms opened investigations into whether American investors were told everything they needed to know. But these are just early fact-finding checks, not lawsuits, and HDFC Bank says such notices are common in the US after any stock drops. The bank denies the wrongdoing. In fact, it hired independent law firms who reportedly found no evidence backing the chairman's claim, and India's central bank RBI said it had no major governance concerns. So why should this matter to you? Because HDFC Bank isn't just any bank. Millions of families in India and investors all the way in America are watching closely. When something like this happens, it's a reminder that even giant trusted companies get checked carefully from every country they operate in. Nothing has been proven yet. So the real lesson isn't HDFC did something bad. It's this. Always wait for the facts before deciding who's right. And big companies need real accountability no matter where they do business. Follow Law Infused if you love watching quick legal updates on your favorite news.